Today's video is a detailed tutorial of a typical wash day for myself when I use cloves throughout the whole process, from pre-pooing to shampooing my hair to moisturizing my hair, as well as conditioning my hair. I use cloves throughout the whole process. So if you really want to know how I do this on my wash day, make sure you're watching to the end. After I did my big chop, cloves is one of the natural ingredients that I use to grow my hair. So make sure you stay tuned to watch this. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So you all know I love cloves. Cloves is a natural ingredient that is really great for our hair. I love it because it's easy to find, it's very inexpensive, and it can help you grow your hair faster. With the first recipe, which is going to be my pre-pooing treatment, I'm going to grind the cloves, but feel free to use already ground cloves. I love to use the whole cloves. And hey girl, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. Okay, so I just put my cloves in the mason jar like so. Then after that, I added some coconut oil. I'm also going to add some olive oil. These two oils are really lightweight and great for our natural hair. After that, I'm going to put the mason jar in a pot of boiling water like so, and I'm going to let it sit in till it all becomes really warm to touch. After that, I'm going to sieve it like so with a paper towel, or you can use a cheesecloth or anything that you have. So since this is a pre-pooing, I need something that has a slip to it that can help detangle my hair. And the best choice is my aloe vera leaf. I love to prepare my own fresh aloe vera from the aloe vera leaves, and this is how I do it. Before starting, I wash the leaves, I cut it into little chunks. Then after that, I split it open like so, and I use my spoon to get all the gel out. It takes time to get all the gel out. You just need to be really patient because it is really slippery. Okay, I love aloe vera gel because it's really great for our natural hair. It can help prevent dandruff, it can add some strength to your hair, add some shine to the hair, and it also acts as a natural conditioner to the hair. So after taking everything out like so, which is looking all nice and juicy and beautiful, I put it in my blender and blend it away. I love to use the pulse method. I blend, I stop, and I blend. Why? Because I do not want to lose the slip. The slip helps with the detangling and it makes everything really nice and smooth. After that, I drain my aloe vera juice like so. Make sure you always drain your aloe vera juice, otherwise you're going to have some pops in your hair. You remember the oil we just made from the beginning? That was the cloves oil. I add it to my aloe vera gel like so and give it a good stir. You all know oil and water do not really mix, but just do your best to mix the two together. And hey girl, you know how we do it here. If you're still watching to this point, I know you are enjoying this video. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be one of the people to be notified. So at this point, I have all my pre-pooing treatment ready and my hair is all matted and it looks all dried. I'm going to give it some TLC. So I start by pouring it onto my hair in sections. Then I use my fingers to run through my hair. Look at how it's all looking, guys. I'm loving it. My curls are popping. After that, I put that section into a twist to return the moisture. Do not forget to always work in sections and always remember to put your hair into twist to retain the moisture. So I just move on to the next section and I'm going to do the same thing to the whole hair till I cover the whole hair. And hey love, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster. I also do very simple hairstyle tutorials that anybody can do. You can rock that to all that special occasions. And you all moms, I got you. I also do kids hairstyle tutorial that you can also wear or do it for your kids. All right. So as I'm all done, my whole hair is covered with a pre-pooing treatment, I go in with a shower cap like so, and I wait for about 30 minutes before I wash it out. And whilst I wait, I'm going to do my second treatment. This is my shampoo. So when I start, I put some cloves in a pot of boiling water like so, and I add some cinnamon sticks and allow the two to boil for about 10 minutes. After that, I get my African black soap and I cut it into little chunks. African black soap is really good for our natural hair. It is a clarifying shampoo that can get rid of dandruff or any other thing that is bothering your scalp. It improves the overall health of your scalp, and you all know new hair grows from the scalp. So healthy scalp means healthy hair. So it can really boost hair growth. If you haven't tried African black soap in this way, make sure you give this a try. Okay, so after that I give it a stir and I make sure the water from the cinnamon sticks and cloves is really hot. Do not let it sit to cool down. You need it hot because we need this soap or the African black soap to dissolve. And when the water is hot, it helps with the dissolve process. After I cover it with foil, then every now and then I just go in to give it a stir. After a couple of hours, it's all dissolved, and I'm going to use my wig cap. You can use a cheesecloth or anything with tiny holes to strain it. The African black soap sometimes have tiny particles in it, so make sure you strain it really well. I'm going to add some aloe vera juice to it. Then after that, I'm going to add some lavender oil. I love the fragrance of lavender oil, and it also helps add some strength to your hair strands. I also add some organic olive oil to help add some shine to the hair and also improve the overall strength of the hair strands. After that, I'm going to pour this into an applicator bottle to make the use very easy. You're going to see a foam settle on top like so, but after a few minutes, it's all going to settle down. Alright, so our shower cap has been on for about 30 minutes, and this is how our hair is looking with the pre-pooing treatment. Look at how beautiful it's looking. So I start by washing my hair, rinsing all the pre-pooing treatment from my hair. Then I go in with my Cloves shampoo. I have a full tutorial on how I made the shampoo in my videos. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. This shampoo is a clarifying shampoo, meaning you can only use it about twice in a month. It cleanses your scalp if you have dandruffs, if you have dry itchy scalp, or if you are suffering from anything on your scalp, this shampoo can help get rid of it. Okay, after rinsing all the shampoo out, I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner. And today I'm going to use a Cream of Nature sulfate-free deep conditioner. I didn't want this video to be too long, so let me describe how I use this conditioner. I just section my hair and apply it to it and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, let's go on to our next treatment. So as the deep conditioner sits in our hair, I'm going to prepare the final rinse that we're going to use. We're going to use cloves. In a pot of boiling water, I added some cloves, and for about 10 minutes, we have our cloves water. I'm going to drain it like so, and this is what we have in it. I'm going to transfer it into a mason jar to make application much easier. Then after that, I'm going to rinse my hair with this. Remember, after the deep conditioner, which was 30 minutes, I rinse it off with water, and now my hair is all rinsed, and I'm using the clove water as my final rinse. After this, I'm not going to add any water or anything to my hair. I'm just going to dry it. Alright, so let's move on to our next treatment. With the next treatment, I'm going to grind my cloves like so, but feel free to use ground cloves, but I love to use the whole cloves. Then after, I'm going to add some rosemary leaves. I love rosemary leaves because it's great for our natural hair. It serves as a natural conditioner, it can help promote growth, it can also prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and improves the overall health of your scalp. So I add the two together like so, then after that I'm going to transfer into a mason jar. And I know you're still enjoying this video, girl. If you're still watching to this point, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, so each time I upload videos like these, you'll be notified. Okay, so I'm going to add some coconut oil to it, and also I'm going to add some organic olive oil. I'm going to give it a good stir. In the pot of boiling water, I'm going to put the mason jar in it so the cloves and the rosemary can infuse into the oil. The double boiling method is really great when you're doing DIYs because it still helps the ingredients to retain their nutrients. I give it a little stir like so, and after about 10 minutes or till the oil is warm, I take it off, and this is how it's looking. I'm going to strain it with my cheesecloth or wake cap, anything with tiny holes you can use. And voila, I have my oil. And this oil is really great for your scalp, for your hair strand, and it can help promote hair growth. At this point, I'm going to add some peppermint oil to the mixture. Just a few drops will do the trick. Aside the fragrance of the peppermint essential oil, I also love its nutrients that it adds to the hair. I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner. Guys, this is my leave-in conditioner. I love products from Cream of Nature because they do not contain sulfate, and also it has no parabens and alcohol. I add it to the oil like so and give it a good stir. And after that, we have our leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Make sure you're watching this video to the end, because towards the end, I'm going to show you all the instructions and also how to use cloves to benefit your hair growth. So I just apply the leave-in conditioner. After every wash, you just have to go in with your conditioner, then also go in with your cream and your oil. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare my butter or moisturizer or cream for my hair, and I'm going to use cloves. So I grind the cloves again, put it in a mason jar, and add my carrier oil. I'm using my olive oil this time, and also I'm going to go in with my coconut oil. I love these two oils because they are lightweight, they can easily absorb into the hair strands, they can prevent dandruff and also promote hair growth. They can also add some shine to the hair. So after adding the two oils like so, I'm going to still use the double boiling method to make sure they all melt together. And I know you already are enjoying this video, girl. And I know you have shown me some love, but if you haven't, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, so each time I upload videos like these, you'll be notified. So after a few minutes, everything is all melted together nice and neat. I'm going to drain the oil, and we have our cloves oil. Okay, with the cream, we will need shea butter. Shea butter is great moisturizer for our hair. It helps prevent dandruff. It can also promote hair growth. So I put it in a mason jar like so, and I still use the double boiling method because it's the best way to melt your natural ingredients. So after I get the oil like so, I'm going to add the two oils together. This is my cloves oil, and that is my shea butter oil. And guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also click on the bell and subscribe if you are new here. So I add the two oils like so, and I'm going to give it a good stir. But there are some other little ingredients I'm going to add to it to even make this cream work better. I'm going to add my vitamin E oil, which helps add strength to the hair strands. And I'm also going to add my tea tree oil. Just reading on the bottle, you see so many benefits of the tea tree oil. It helps moisturize your hair, it can prevent dandruff and promote hair growth. I also love my lavender oil because of its fragrance, and also I add my Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil can help boost hair growth. It can also help you grow back your edges. If you're suffering from alopecia or anything, this oil can help you. I'm going to put the oil in the fridge till it solidifies. And this is how it's looking. It's all solid now. I'm going to whip it together to get a cream or butter out of it. This process is very, very important because it helps give it that fluffy, that buttery look. So make sure you are doing it very well. And look at that. It looks so beautiful and yummy. Very creamy. Okay, so I already applied the leave-in conditioner, the cloves leave-in conditioner, and it's time to use the cloves butter. I just go in with it and massage it into my hair, massage it onto my edges, every part of the hair. Whenever you are using treatments like these, make sure you concentrate on the ends of your hair, since it's the oldest part of the hair. It breaks easily, so make sure you give it some TLC. And also your scalp, because new hair grows from the scalp. And guys, look at how my hair is looking. If you've been following me on this channel, you know I've really improved in my hair growth journey. Make sure you try one of these DIYs and thank me later. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed and you've learned something from it. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much for stopping by today. See you in my next one. Bye.